All right, hey, so I wanted to make a quick video. A lot of people are asking for ab stuff now. So cable crunches are my go-to for building up the abs, the rectus abdominis specifically. So the video is gonna be a little bit longer, but I'll give you the gist of it real quick. Basically, however you set up, you wanna make sure your hips are staying locked pretty much. So wherever you set up, the hips are gonna stay locked. Whatever handle you use, that doesn't matter. Whatever's comfortable for you. And then you're just gonna set up like this, around the spine, and then crunch down. Around the spine, crunch down. So you're not coming like all the way up where the hips are moving, and you're going down like that, up, none of that. Everything's locked, it's really tight. Might even take a little step in. Just gonna round your back. So this is giving you a full stretch through the abs. And you're gonna round the back down. Up, down. Now, that's it, that's the gist. From there, some people like to drop to their knees. I don't like to do that because I find it very hard to keep my hips still. Because I have to lean forward or I set up like this and crunch like that. This is also okay. It's just a lot smaller movement. But you notice my hips are staying where they are. I don't like the one where people are really far away. So, handle options. The V-bar is also nice if you don't have that tricep bar I have, because nobody has it. You can also use a rope around your head. There's different variations. You could do it seated on a bench or a box. That's just gonna control your hips for you. So from here, you go down and up, down. Another option, I'm giving you all these options, and then if you wanna try a different one to see how it feels for you, that's why it's here. This one you're gonna face the other way. And then the cable is lower. You see I dropped it 2 notches on my cable, but it's gonna be slightly above your head. So if I pull it out, it's over here. And you just position your feet, and then from here, it's rounding you back. And then you would crunch. Round you back, and crunch. So that's basically it. As long as you're controlling your hips, whatever variation, whatever handle, it's all good.